In my last video, I shared how I made my first $10,000 as a student from YouTube. And guess what? Today, I'm going to teach you exactly how to create a YouTube channel that makes money, step by step. Whether you're a student, a working professional, or just someone looking to start a side hustle, this video is for you. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully functional YouTube channel ready to grow and start earning. So let's dive in. Step 1. Choose your niche. The first step to creating a successful YouTube channel is choosing your niche. A niche is simply the topic or category your channel will focus on. Now, here's the thing. Your niche should be something you're passionate about, but also has the potential to make money. For example, some profitable niches include personal finance, tech reviews, self-improvement, gaming, and educational channel like this. But if you are so confused, then just ask yourself, what am I good at or interested in? Is there an audience for this? Can I monetize this niche through ads, sponsorships, or selling products? For example, I make videos on online earning, then tomorrow I can establish a company where I can teach people way to earn online or can sell course. Step 2. Set up your YouTube channel. I am assuming that you can create a YouTube channel by yourself, which is very simple. Your Google account is your YouTube channel, but if you are starting, make sure you set up 2 settings, that is, the language of your video and your channel category. If you don't know these settings, there are numbers of video on YouTube, just watch any. Step 3. Plan your first 5 videos. Your first 5 video is very crucial if you want to get success in very first month. Many people just post one random video, then they lack the idea of their next video. You need to understand one thing. That is, you need to be clear with your first few videos so that YouTube algorithm can understand your channel and will push your video to the right audience. For example, you made your first video on how to stay fit, and then how Donald Trump won election. Now you are confusing the algorithm, and your video may take time to reach to the targeted audience. So be clear with your first 5 videos at least. For example, if your niche is personal finance, your first 5 videos could be how to save money as a student, 5 side hustles to start today, how to invest your first $100, budgeting 101 for beginners, how I made $10,000 as a student. Planning ahead will save your time and keep you consistent. Step 4. Record and edit your videos. Now comes the fun part, recording and editing your videos. You don't need expensive equipment to start. Here's what you'll need. I am assuming for now that you are starting faceless channel. Then there is no need of any expensive things like camera or lighting. If you want to record your own voice, then all you need is a microphone, but there are various AI tools too, which will easily convert your script into voice. Now comes the most difficult and fun part, that is editing, since you are not showing your face. You have to edit your videos in such way that will tell story and keep viewers watching for the longest period. All you can do it in free software like CapCut. Even this video is edited in CapCut. The quality of your editing depends upon the editing assets. I got few, which I will attach in the description, and if you do not find it relevant to your niche, then just get into Telegram channel of YouTubers. They will provide different editing assets. I am saying this because we have not paid software for now. Most importantly, keep your videos short, engaging, and to the point. Step 5. Upload and optimize your videos. Once your video is ready, it's time to upload and optimize it for YouTube's algorithm. While uploading video, one common mistake that everyone does that you need to avoid is being hurried while uploading. You have spent hours and hours scripting and days editing. So do not rush at the time of the uploading and designing thumbnail. Take time, search same topic on YouTube, and look for the thumbnail and title idea which has already worked, and then only upload your video. Step 6. Never share the link of your videos to your friends or any social media. But why? This is because how many impressions your video will get depend upon the engagement of your video. Let's take an example. You shared your video to your friend saying watch and subscribe, but the video may not the kind that your friend want to watch. So he will immediately subscribe your channel, but not going to watch that video till the end. And this is where YouTube will stop suggesting it to the more people. So until and unless you have our own raw audience, do not share it anywhere. Step 7. Monetize your channel. Now, let's talk about the most exciting part, making money. Here are the main ways to monetize your YouTube channel. 1. Ad revenue. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program. 2. Affiliate marketing. Promote products and earn a commission for every sale. 3. Sponsorships. Partner with brands to create sponsored content. 4. Selling your own products, courses, ebooks, or merchandise related to your niche. But wait, is it that simple? No. Most of people will lose this game because they're gonna quit after 10 or 15 videos. But only who will stick for the longer period of time, improving each mentioned step will win. Remember, monetization takes time, so focus on creating improved content.